In 2026, American manufacturing stands on the brink of a revolution with unprecedented opportunities for innovation. Agentic AI technology not only identifies issues, but autonomously implements solutions, transforming the way you operate. Senior engineers can oversee 3 times the production volume by using Agentic AI as a force multiplier to manage routine exceptions. Real-time supply chain resilience ensures that your operations adapt quickly to any delays, protecting your margins. Embrace the future with a structured 90-day scaling roadmap to seamlessly transition to Agentic AI with Performix's AI solutions. Elevate your manufacturing processes and embrace the future of Industry 5.0.